Hello everyone, welcome to Accessible World Tutorials. My name is Raviteja. Friends, in this video, I will clearly explain you what is pivot point, what is support level, and what is resistance level, and at what price we should buy the stock and what price we should sell the stock. Along with that, I will also explain you how to put the stop loss and where we need to put the stop loss, and everything I will explain you in this video. So watch this video till the end, or if you are having any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I am providing my WhatsApp group link in the comment section. Even you can join in our WhatsApp group and you can ask questions related to stock market or other doubts. Okay. Friends, first we will learn what is pivot point and how the pivot point value will come. Okay. For example, if you take HDFC Bank, so if you calculate our previous day low, high and closer divided by 3, you will get the value, right? That is called pivot point value. Okay. So if the current price is more than above the pivot level, it means the stock will go up. Okay. And if the price is below the pivot point level, the stock will go down. But if the stock is going down, where it will stop? And if the stock is going up, and where it will end? Okay, that is called support and resistance levels. Okay, for example, there are 3 support levels: support 1, support 2, support 3. For example, if price is going down, okay, but definitely if price is going down, at some point people will buy, right? That is called support level. Okay, if people are more buying at particular place, that is support 1. Okay, even if the price is going down below the support 1, it will stop at support 2. Okay, and also resistance. If price is moving up, definitely at some point people will sell the stock, right? That is resistance level we can call. Okay, so every stock has support and resistance. Okay, based on the performance. Like for example, if price is moving today, if it is moving between 550 to 560, if price is not going down at 550 rupees, it means 550 has more support for the stock. Okay, so definitely we can buy at 550 because it has the most support. But how we can know as a screen reader user where is support level? And we cannot calculate previous day amount rate. Is very tough because every minute the price will change. So in this video I will clearly explain. Don't miss this video at any moment. Okay, by end of this video I am very sure you will learn what is pivot points and what is support level and what is resistance level. And definitely friends, you must do one thing, that is your support is required to me. So please subscribe this channel. If you are watching this video without subscription, just pause this video, click the subscribe button and right swipe, select all options from the option menu. Then only if I make any new video, that video will jump into your notifications. Because of with your subscription, I can make these type of videos. So please subscribe our channel. Now I am opening investing.com website because from beginning we are I am showing you the technical analysis in the investing.com website, right? So even these pivot points also I will explain you in investing.com. So I will open HDFC Bank stock, okay, to explain you the pivot points. I'm opening HDFC Bank.
Speech mode talk.
Speech mode talk, okay. It is NVDA.
Rate 51, rate 4, rate 36, rate 31, rate 26.
Okay, I'm opening Google Chrome browser.
Start window, search window, G, level O, Google Chrome app. Normal new tab dash Google Chrome toolbar, address and search bar, edit as autocomplete, control plus L, search Google.
Simply you can type HDFC Bank Technical Analysis Investing.com, okay, in the address bar. Okay, don't open investing.com India website, nothing. Okay, directly in the Google address bar you can type HDFC Bank Technical Analysis. You must mention this word technical analysis.
A meet dash D, selection room F, C, space. BANK space TECHNICAL space ALYSIS space INVESTING.com.
Investing.com. Okay, you must mention that word. Okay, HDFC Bank Technical Analysis Investing.com. I'm pressing enter here.
HTTPS:// this site can access system and HDFC Bank Technical Analysis Investing.com Google.
Okay, you can pick the first one only. In the result, you can pick the first one.
Main clickable HDFC Bank Limited Share Technical Analysis left parent, HDBK right parent, heading level 3 visited link.
This is one. Okay, this one you need to click enter on it.
HDFC Bank.
Okay, for day trading, already I told you we need to choose 15 minutes time frame. Okay, there are few time frames, right? Like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 minute, 5 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, like that. So we need to pick 15 minutes time frame. Okay, for that so first we will see the current price of HDFC Bank. Okay, I'm pressing B multiple times to get the share button.
Banner clickable mainland select button, list with 3 add alert button, share button.
Okay, just below this, I will get the price.
Out of list 1,512.25.
1,512 rupees. Okay, current price.
Plus 0.50 left pair.
Plus 0.50. Okay, no improvement. Okay, I will repeat the price.
1,512.2 up.
1,512 rupees. Okay, remember this word. Okay, 1,512. Okay, remember this number. Okay, so now I'm going to the technical analysis. First, I will see the table, how the trend is, like it is moving up or down. Okay, so okay, we should not only depend on pivot points because you will lose your money. So along with pivot points, we need to also check the technical analysis. Okay, first I will see the technical analysis table.
Table with 5 rows and 5 columns.
So this is the first table, technical analysis table. Already I told you.
Row 2 moving averages.
The moving averages, and okay, first I will pick the 15 minutes, right?
Navigation, clickable navigation landmark list with table with 5 out of link 1H, link for visited link 15 min.
Okay, I'm clicking on 15 minutes. Okay, now I pick 15 minutes time frame. I'm pressing T table.
Table with 5 rows and 5 row 2 cell column title column 1 moving averages.
Moving averages.
Cell column 2 67%.
Oh, sell it is 67%.
Neutral column buy column 4 33%.
Buy 33% overall.
Action column 5 sell.
Okay, action sell.
Row 3 sell. Row 4 sell. Row 5 neutral.
Okay, so all the indicators are telling it is in sell side. Okay, it is not good for buy. Okay, now we will see the technical pivot points table. Okay, 1,512, right? I think I will show you.
Click a list add alert button. But out of list minus 0.1511.6.
1,511. Oh, all the indicators are telling sell side, right? Even the price also move one rupee down now. Okay, now I'm opening pivot point table. I'm pressing T multiple times to get a table with 8 columns and 6 rows.
Table with 5 rows and table with 7 rows and table with 8 rows and 3 columns. Table with 4 rows and table with 3 rows and table with 6 rows and 8 columns. Row 1 column 1.
Okay, this is the pivot point table. Okay, now we will see the 15 minutes. Last 15 minutes. In the last 15 minutes, what is the close price and what is the high and what is the low divided by 3. Okay, so I don't know the high, I don't know the low, I don't know the close price, but the system will calculate for us. So we will see the pivot point level.
Column 4 S1, column 5 pivot points, row 2 1,511.07.
1,511. Okay, 1,511.07. This is the pivot point 11. Pivot point from last 15 minutes for last 15 minutes time frame. Okay, not for previous day, last 15 minutes time frame. Okay, it means if the current price is below this level, the price will go down. If the current price is above this level, the price will go up. But already we saw it is 1,511 rupees. Okay, it come down. Okay, so the current price is below the pivot level. So what is the support level and resistance level for this stock? Okay, I will show you.
S1 column 4 1,510.14.
1,510 has a support level for this stock. It means if the price is going down also, it will not go down more than 1,510 rupees and 15 paise. Okay, because it has a more support, because people are buying at this time. Okay, at this point. Okay, when it reached to 1,510 rupees, the people will buy. Okay. So, and what is the, if price is going down below this 1510 rupees, where it will go down?
S2 column 3 1509.12.
Again, it has a support level at 1509 rupees and 15 paise. Okay. Again, it has a support. Okay. So, like this way, we can know the support and resistance. So, if price is going up, okay.
S1 pivot points R1 column 6 1512.09.
If price is going up, there is a resistance at 1512.90. People will sell at 1512.90. Okay, so it is danger. So this is the support and resistance level for the stock. So now we will see, so when I can buy the stock and when I can sell the stock. So along with pivot points, we can see the price is moving down. Okay. So it means at this current moment, it is not good to buy the stock. But we can do one thing. We can sell the stock at current price and we can buy at later price. It means, so current price is
out of table banner land select link may select button list with 3 items watch button but out of list minus 0 1511.40.
1511.40 current price. Okay, so we can sell the stock at 1512.90 and we can buy the stock at 1510 rupees. Okay, we can do reverse trading also. I will explain you. If you have any doubts related to reverse trading, you can ask me in the comment section or WhatsApp group. Okay, the main advantage of joining in WhatsApp group is even you can test me in case if you require my call also. Even I will call you if any requirement is there. So this is all about support and resistance, friends. We can check the support and resistance. Okay, not only depend on support and resistance, also depend on other technologies, other technical analysis like moving averages, momentum oscillators, everything. Okay, so that you will do the smooth trading. Otherwise, you will lose your money. You might lose your money. So this is all about pivot points. If you are having any doubts, so feel free to ask me in the comment section and our WhatsApp group. Thank you. Bye bye.
Smooth currently